Be straight. Be straight. Don't bend on the bench. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Be straight. Don't bend on the bench. Close your eyes, mom. Please. దాని మనసులో నేను రిపీట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఆటోమేటిక్ సెషన్స్ ఇవ్వబోతున్నాను మీకు. ఓకేనా? నేను చెప్పింది మాత్రమే ఫోకస్ చేయాలి మీరు. ఓకే, డోంట్ bother anything. Only focus on breathing, and then I told what I told. That's when you can remember. So my mind is peaceful. Relax. అని లోపల చెప్పుకోండి. My mind is relaxed. I release my stress, anxiety, depression. Relax. అని ఒకటి చెప్తూ ఉంటాను మనసులో. I don't have any fear. I release my stress, anxiety, depression, exam fear, like that. Relax. Relax అని చెప్తూ ఉన్నాను మనసులో. I release my anxiety, depression, stress, and my fears. I am a confident boy or girl inside. I am beautiful. I am smart. I am intelligent. I am great. ఇవన్నీ మా ఆటోమేటిక్ సజెషన్స్ ఇచ్చుకోండి. I am excellent. I am great. I am intelligent. I am active boy or girl. I release my tensions. I am worthable. I am capable. I am great. I have goal. I achieve anything. I change my thought process. I remove my stress, anxiety. I remove my negativeness, laziness. Fears. I remove this type of data. You can. I remove my laziness, fearness, negativity, gossips, vulgarity. I remove. My brain is powerful. I am also powerful. I can learn. I am winner. I can do. I remove. I can't. I will tell. I can. These words you can remember one by one, step by step. Focus only breathing. Okay? Be like Chinmudra. You know Chinmudra? How many members know? Yeah. Be like Chinmudra. I have a goal. I reached my goal. I am not time waster. I am always learning. I will not time waste. I respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I have a goal. Definitely I will achieve my goal. I have a goal. Definitely I will achieve my goal.